I'm a smile maker, so I really concentrate on material restoration. And I need to have a material that can improve my artistic qualities. But at the same time, like a teacher, I would like to transfer this message to my students and the young practitioner.
High steady striations in the anterior region are the immediate control for the patient if you are a good dentist. He will lift the mirror and say, okay, you've done a nice job.
What distinguishes this material from others is the fact that this nanoscale technology is designed for every dentist.
The filler in Harmonize is based on two different materials. It's silica and it's zirconia. The silica has a negative charge and the zirconia has a positive charge, and these two materials kind of stick together. And this is the base for a very strong material.
Of two compounds, inorganic on one side, organic on the other side, combined by the coupling agent, but so strongly related that something is, harmonized.
We have to find a material that is able to do the same thing as natural teeth do in the terms of reflecting the light.
In a real enamel tooth, light is reflected differently, whether the light comes from a short wavelength or a long wavelength. Short wavelengths like blue, 400, 450 nanometers, are reflected in a diffuse way. Long wavelengths like reddish, so 700 nanometers, 650, something like that, are reflected in a specular way. The chameleon effect of Harmonize is based on the adaptive response technology, which makes the reflection of light mimic exactly the enamel way. In terms of polishability, the smaller the size of the particles, the better the polishability. Everybody knows that. But here, there is one more thing. The University of Alabama recently showed that the combination of Opti-1 step with Harmonize gets a faster polish and a better polish than all the other composites.
The adaptive response technology is the focus of this material. Create a sort of gel wave effect in your hand during the handling.
The adaptive response technology adapts to the needs of the dentist in two ways. First way, when you start handling the material, it behaves like a high-loaded composite. So it doesn't stick to the instrument. The second, once you start to model the composite, thanks to the patented rheological modifier, it adapts better and it flows like a low-loaded composite.
Harmonize, for me, in one word, it's a must-have.
Great restoration in a simplified way.
Artistry in dentistry is to copy nature. And thanks to Harmonize, I can copy nature.